right? Let's talk about another thing, man. Let's talk about market rotation, sector rotation, right? These things have to happen, right? So we saw that over the last couple months, we saw tech has been driving the market. We saw that tech has been driving the market, right? At some point, what's going to have to happen is a market rotation. Another sector is going to have to come in. You know, it's like a Ferris wheel. You know how the Ferris wheel just go round and round? Well, this one, at some point, the next seat has to come up top, right? Not saying that the tech sector is going to go away, but what happens is investors are going to say, okay, we need to put an influx of money going here. It may be consumer cynicals. It may be consumer discretionary. It may be financials. You never know where it's going to be. So we looking at market rotation. So one of the things we got to do is study macroeconomics. Now, I know y'all gonna be like, Trap, that's a big old word. What are you talking about? I don't know what that is. So let me break it down to you. All it's words that they use to try to confuse us. But all macroeconomics is you studying the overall economy during, before, during, and after an event, and seeing how the economy reacts to events due to inflation, due to inflation, due to job loss, due to gross domestic product, right? GDP, right? All you got to do is that's what macroeconomics is. Don't let it confuse you with the big words and all that, right? Macroeconomics is just the study of a market during or after an event. And what are they studying? They're studying unemployment, they're studying the behavior of the markets, and they're studying housing, gross domestic product. That's all they doing, right? And so you as an investor, you can sit back and ask yourself, you study macroeconomics all day. You studied macroeconomics all day. When I was in the trap, I studied macroeconomics too. You know why? I knew the 1st and the 15th was an event. I understood when the trap was booming. I understand when the slowdown days. That's macroeconomics. You feel me? You understand, you know, when the J's come out, that's an event. You understand what happens leading up to the J's. You understand what happens after the J is sold out. You studied the behavior and the economics. That's macroeconomics. You study macroeconomics. It's that simple. You look at an event and you are saying, what was the behavior and different things before, during, and after the event? That's macroeconomics. It's no bigger than that. That's how we simplify the game. You feel me? That's how we simplify the game. You feel me? You know that when people get their stamps, when them stamps hit, it's probably not a good time to go to the grocery store. Why? Because everybody gonna have 2 and 3 baskets full of food. All right, so the best time to probably go is around the 15th or the 16th. Why? Because you know that many people ain't gonna be to all them baskets now. You can now run through the market. Macroeconomics. Studying the behavior of a certain economy or during, before, and after event. Macroeconomics. You know it already. You know it already. Market rotation. Okay, how do we understand what market rotation is? Okay, cool. If we know that these type of stocks are booming right now, okay, now we're going to look at these hedge funds. We're going to look at these big institutions, right? And we go see, okay, where are they putting their money at now? What are they transitioning to? Okay, they're transitioning to consumer discretionary. They transitioning to, you know, transportation. Where are they transitioning to? Okay, boom, that's going to be the next cycle up. The great thing about this is, once we understand the pattern, we know what's coming. We know what's coming. This we know every day. At every morning, we know the sun about to come up at a certain time. We know it's going to go down at a certain time. So because we know that, we try to do certain things. Another example, you know that when you be in an A, what you know, man, I can't go get on 285 right now. Man, that thing about to be popping. I can't go over there right now. I got to go over here. You know what I'm saying? You know not to go certain time because what? Traffic coming. This every day consistently, right? It never changes. The sun come up, the sun go down, right? You know this off the top of your head. Same thing happen with the economy. Once you start learning the history of the market. See, this being an investor thing, it's just not about picking stocks. It's about understanding behavior of the markets, the people who play in the markets, and it's about understanding the behavior of other investors so now you can put the leverage on your side. I don't care what game you play, it's all about putting the leverage in your corner. Until you are able to learn how to put the leverage in your corner, you're going to always be at the mercy of the wolves. And at that point, you are a financial prey. My goal is to help us transition. And again, I apologize. My mind been on a lot of other stuff. I'm back to the basics, y'all. I'm back to getting us in the game, man. This how we win. This how we win. We win like this. This how we win. We win long term. Ian said it before. It has never been a recession or correction that the market has never recovered from. You feel me? So I want everybody, it's 1,900 people on here. We was up to 2,200 people. I don't want nobody on here panicking about the market going down. I need every time the market go down, I need everybody to tag me or put trap up, clips loaded. I'm just waiting on my pivot. Clips loaded. I'm waiting on my pivot. Clips loaded, trap. I'm waiting on my pivot. We gonna let these people know from here on out, this is what we doing. Clips loaded, whether it's a banana, a drum, a 50 round, a extendo, clips loaded, trap. We ready for the pivot. They panic, we eat. Blood in the streets, we eat. When sheep run with wolves, they get ate. We eating from here on out. I'm tired of seeing y'all talk about, man, I shouldn't have bought Apple. I'm about to sell it. No, the hell you ain't. You ain't selling it. What you gonna do is, you gonna put some bread up, you gonna stack, you gonna sacrifice, and you gonna buy some more. And when you buy some more, you're going to go back in the lab. You're going to while they recalibrate the scale, you're going to get you some more bags, and you're going to bag some more up, and you're going to buy some more. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla is not a car company. It is a technology company that happens to sell cars. The same reason markets have events that make the market go down, they have events that make the market go up. We just got to understand and start understanding these events when they happen, when they're about to happen. The thing about the market is this also, right? This is another great thing about the market. They have to tell us what they're about to do. Tesla going to have a battery day. When is the battery day? September 22nd. I don't know about y'all, but I think Tesla stock may go up when they introduce this new battery. Hold up, 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 hold up. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I a fiduciary. Everything that I say is for entertainment and informational purposes only. None of what I say should be taken as strategic moves to build your portfolio. With investing comes financial risk. You must be able to mitigate the risk before you make any investment. If you aren't able to mitigate the risk, please seek out financial advice. I know a great financial advisor by the name of Rashad, one part of the Earn Your Leisure Brotherhood. He can take you to glory. I can only take you to the trap house. You did. So, one of the things I'm going to tell y'all is this. We got to start understanding the catalysts, and we got to start understanding things that make stocks drive. Right? We got to start understanding things that make stocks drive. Right? It's kind of like a dude, like you a man, like, and you see your wife come on, you see your girl come on, and she got that perfume on. Like, you like, girl. Like, you know, if you're a woman, if you're a queen, you see your dude come home with a fresh haircut. Boy, you can get it right now. Right? You understand what make you drive. You understand what make you get in that mode. So you got to understand what makes stocks get in their mode. You got to understand what makes stocks move. You feel me? We got to understand that. And once we understand that, now we can position ourselves for market movement. You feel me? I told y'all we here. I'm back, man. I'm back, man. We trapping. I'm back, man. You know what I'm saying? We back. Trap house back jumping, man. Blue magic flood the streets from here on out, man. That's what we do, man. That's what we do. It's what we do. But check it, man. It's all good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this live, man. Like, I hope y'all really enjoyed the live. My goal was to just give a lot of free game out, right? And again, I want to tell y'all, man, I apologize. My mind, I've been trying to get my business right. I've been in a lot of other things, and I kind of got off track a little bit. But we back. I promise that. We back, like, better than before. My live crash when I was doing a disclaimer for sure. It's all, they don't want us to get all this game, you know what I'm talking about? But I'm here. They can't stop this, man. Blue Magic, we're going to flood the streets. I promise y'all that. You know what I'm saying? I promise y'all that. So do me a favor, man. Send this live out to some people. Do me a favor, man. The brand keep building. We almost at 4,000 people. We 50,000 short from 400,000 people been in the community. That's love. That's more people that we can connect with. That's more people we can get to. So what I want y'all to do, man, y'all ain't got to buy nothing, man. Just tell somebody, yo, Trap be spitting real game over there. That's what we need to be at. Bought the course last night. For sure, for the people that's asking, the Wallstreet Trappin course is 40% off. You can shoot me a DM, say the word new millionaire, and you get the 40% off code. The YouTube is Wallstreet Trapper without all the underscores, just Wallstreet Trapper. You'll see it. Go check the YouTube out, man. We got a lot of game on there. I think the YouTube almost at 50,000 subscribers, so we're gonna flood that community too to the next 100. I actually gotta put up a video today. But yeah, man, we trapping, man. So I appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all, man. Do me a favor, just tell somebody what we doing over here, because we gonna keep building. And every time the market goes down, I just want y'all to DM me and send me something and say, Mark, Trapper. Be like, Trapper. The market going down, the clip's loaded. I got the extendo out. I got the drum out. Trapper. The market recalibrating itself, I'm bagging up. You feel me? That's what we doing. You feel me? So look, man, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Everybody who bought them badges, this was something new that Instagram did. So I just was trying to see if they would let me do it. They let me did it. And y'all showed me love for sure. So I definitely appreciate that. With them badges, we did $140, man. That's crazy. I ain't never thought. That's crazy, man. But definitely, man, definitely want to tell y'all that, man. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, man. 100, man. It's your boy, Wallstreet Trap. I'm out.